with this hair. Look at this hair. This hair is really, 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 really. And so let's just stop. Let's just get down to the business. This hair wasn't nothing but $29.99, and guys, you cannot beat that. This is legit. It's not giving me any shedding, and it's not giving me any tangles. So yeah, we're lit. I put some mousse in my head, and I did pluck a little bit of my lace. So yeah, it's really litty over here. So as you know that I did put some of my baby hair out. I did put a little bit out, and then I put some out on the side just to give it that you know, I'm here. Like, yeah, this hair is this hair this hair is giving me that life. Yes, it's not giving me that, oh my god, it's really big, like I can't see, move your hair, you know what I'm saying? No, it's not giving me that, and I hope it's not giving you guys that either, because if so, I need to just put this right here. You can go ahead and get this hair at local beauty supply store. And yeah, this hair is in a 1B. I was gonna get it in the number 1, but I was like, nah. Okay guys, so yeah, we're about to get right into the video. So if you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, and also turn on your guys' notifications because your girl is in the building. And thank you for watching my video. Bye. I got this dome style wig cap, and this is just how it looks. Now, I got this hair from the local beauty supply store, and this is the Jamaican twist wave. It comes with 5 pieces. It comes with a 16, 18, 20, and 22. It comes with a lace part down the middle, and it stops right there. That's the good thing. That's what I like. And I'm just going to be gluing this on just to give it that look. Now, as you can see, I am super gluing it on. Now, I didn't want to put glue on there because I wanted to take it off and wear it again, and that's just how that's looking. Now, I was just trying to see how I'm going to be putting this, and I put it right in the middle of my head. I was thinking about putting it on the side of my head, but I'm like, I don't know, but I want to try this out, so that's just what I'm doing. And I'm just laying it down, and I'm going to be putting a ponytail in here, you know, just to hold it down because I didn't have any clips in there. Next, I am going to be using my 22-inch bundle, and I'm just going to be placing it right there just to give it that stretchy look, just to stretch it out so that I have some inches through. I am going to be just placing it around, and as you can see, it just stops right there by my ear, and I'm just going to be just stretching this out, and I'm going to use all of these bundles. So as you know, I was dying to get this hair like this because this hair looked like wet and wavy hair. I was like, I have to get this hair. This hair was about $29.99. That's not bad. Like, I was just like, okay, yeah, I gotta get this hair. It looks like some wet and wavy hair, so I was just like, okay, well, let me just test this out just to see how this look. Now, I'm going to be adding that track right there because, you know, you got to close all of your tracks in. So I was just like, yeah, I gotta get this hair because I know this hair is not gonna look synthetic, and we gotta get this hair together. So I was like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna get this hair because I know that it's gonna look like some human hair, and it's going to look really pretty. So yeah, but let me turn back on this music so you guys can sit back and relax and just look at this video. Next, I am going in and using my 18-inch bundle, and I'm just going to be placing that onto my head, and I am just going to be measuring this onto the cap just so I can see where I'm placing my tracks at. Now, I am just ready to just install this in, so let me just finish up with this video and let's just move things really fast because I know that you all are anxious to see this hair, and I am literally anxious. So let me just fasten this video up for you guys and sit back and enjoy the video.